So what's up, idol? So for today's video, I'm gonna share to you. So today guys, we're going to unbox this new electric scooter from Hiboy UAE. So the brand is Hiboy Max Pro. And I just want to say thank you to Hiboy UAE for giving this opportunity to review their latest model of electric scooter, the Hiboy Max Pro. Before I open the box, I just want to share to you what's written in the box. So let's read. So here is 500 watts motor, foldable design, brilliant endurance, LED display, and regenerates energy. And here guys, the net weight is 23.4 kg or 51.6 pounds. And gross weight is 63.7 pounds, 28.9 kg. And this is the size. Okay. So if you're planning to avail this kind of electric scooter, so I will just paste the link down in the description. And if you want to avail discount, just type JATV Max Pro so you can avail a 12% discount. So now let's start to unbox this electric scooter. Hiboy Electric Scooters and Micromobility brand. Founded in 2014, Hiboy is a global brand owned by Freeman Investment Holding Limited that's design and sell electric personal transport like scooters, hoverboards, and e-bikes. Popular models includes the S2, S2 Pro, S2 Max, and Max Pro, with a focus on affordable daily commuting in urban environments. So this is the manual. So as you can see, with kind of tools, okay, it has a Allen keys, which is the manual, okay, and this is the charger. So now let's remove the styro so that we can see the electric scooter. This is the Hiboy Max Pro looks like after I open the box. So let's remove the styro so that we can start to see what is the specs of this electric scooter. So after I opened the box, I just saw also the extra tube for 11-inch tire. And also I found the manual. Okay, so there is a 2 manual for Arabic. Okay, this is the instructions and this is the English manual. Okay, so this is all the instructions of the electric scooter. So to turn on the electric scooter, all you have to do is we need to press this long press. So as you can see now. And by the way guys, as you can see here, there is some QR code you need to download here in order to get the Hiboy applications. And here, if you want to change the drives like for Eco, drive mode, and S mode, you need to double press this one up. Make it fast, double press, okay? Like this, so as you can see, it will change to drive mode. And then here is the sport mode or S mode. In order to fold this electric scooter, all you have to do is you need to push up this button like this. And then, okay. So as you can see, the scooter is fold. And in order to lock the electric scooter, you have to push up this lock. And like this. So as you can see, you can carry the electric scooter like this. Now let's discuss the basic parts of this electric scooter. So first, let's start at the handle. So this is the display. So in display, you can see there is an eco mode, drive mode, and then the S mode. Okay guys, and here there is some logo of a kilometers per hour, the speedometer, and then this is the battery level. So I don't want to remove this sticker. It should be like this. Okay, and then here, this is the brake lever. So once you press the brake, here, as you can see, it will indicate the brake lights. Okay, and it's same also with this side. The brake lever, once you press, it will lights also the brake lights. And then here, this is the throttle. This is the thumb type throttle. Okay, and then this is the rubber grip. And here, as you can see, this is the foldable lock. And this is the tire. So the tire is 11-inch pneumatic tire. And here, this is the suspension. So as you can see, this is a fork type suspension. And the brake is a drum brake, both sides also here. And this is the motor. So the motor is a 500 watts. Okay, and this is the fender. So regarding for the lights, once I turn on, so here, this is the headlight. Okay, and this is the side light. So this is better, so especially at the night, so it will be visible, especially at the dark areas. And here also, the rear brake lights. So just to be fair with you, I just want to share to you what's inside of the frame of this electric scooter. This is usually I'm doing when I'm doing the unboxing of any electric scooter. So I already removed the screws, and let's check what is the battery and then what is the controller. Okay. So here, okay guys, so this is the battery. It's already sealed. So as you can see, and this is the wirings, and this is the controller. Only one controller because this is a single motor. And it was written here, lithium ion battery pack. And then rated voltage is 48 volts. And then rated capacity is 14.5 Ah. So maximum capacity is 15 Ah or 720 watch hour. Okay guys, so this is the battery type, 13 INR 1966 by 5. So this is the battery type of the Hiboy Max Pro electric scooter. So and then here, if you will look at here, as you can see, there is a two suspension here. So this is the reason why the Hiboy Max Pro is good in rebounding, because of this is have a two suspension here, and this is the fork type suspension. So later on we will test the rebound of this electric scooter. Now let's test the suspension of this electric scooter. So let's put some weight in here. So as you can see guys, the suspension are very soft. Both rear and front are working properly. See? So now guys, let's test the charger of this electric scooter. So if you, as you can see guys, if you didn't unplug, so the color of the charger is green. So green means it's either full charge or the charger is unplugged. So here, this is the charger port. All you have to do is you remove this, the cover, and then insert the plug charger. Okay, so as you can see, and here, as you can see, the LED indicator is red. So it means this scooter is charging now.
Flagship high-performance electric scooter designed for long-range comfort, power, and safety. Equipped with 48 volts 15 Ah battery, providing up to 46 miles per charge for even longer rides. Smart battery management system with multiple safety protections, overload, short circuit, overcharge temperature control. ULL 2272 certified for rider safety. Peak is 650 watts motor, 22 miles per hour top speed, and 20 degrees climbing ability. Front and rear suspension for smooth rides on city roads or trails. 3 ride modes plus cruise control for flexibility.
Okay, so now let's do the ride test or road test of this electric scooter. And we will try also the top speed of this electric scooter. So based on manual, the top speed of the Hiboy Max Pro is up to 35 kilometers per hour. So now let's test if it is true based on display. So this is S mode. Okay, so 26, 27, 29, 30, 33, 34, 35, 36. So the maximum speed is up to 36 kilometers per hour. So it's already steady up to 36 kilometers per hour. And that's all for today, my honest review regarding the electric scooter of Hiboy Max Pro. So if you like my video, please subscribe and help my YouTube channel to grow.